In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook ads you've clicked on. In the digital age where advertising is more personalized than ever, you might find yourself curious about which Facebook ads have caught your attention and led you to click on them. Whether it's to find a product you remember seeing or simply to understand your own browsing habits better, Facebook provides a straightforward way for you to revisit these ads. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you on this discovery journey. First off, begin by navigating to Facebook. This step is as simple as it sounds. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device, type in the Facebook URL, or tap on the app to get started. Ensure that you're logged into your account to proceed with the next steps. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for your profile photo. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen when browsing on a desktop, or in the menu on the app. Clicking on your profile photo is the first step in accessing the settings, where you can find your ad interactions. After clicking on your profile photo, you'll want to locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This option is nestled among others such as Help and Support, and Display and Accessibility. It's here that Facebook groups together all the settings related to your personal information, privacy, security, and, relevant to us today, advertising preferences. Once you've opened the Settings and Privacy menu, the next step is to select Settings from the options that appear. This action will direct you to a comprehensive page where you can manage your Facebook experience, including your personal information, security settings, and more. Within the Settings page, navigate your way to the Ad Preferences section. This is the place where Facebook allows you to review and adjust how you interact with ads on the platform. It's designed to give you control over the types of advertisements you see and offers insights into why certain ads are shown to you. After selecting Ad Preferences, you'll need to click again on Ad Preferences to dive deeper into your ad interaction settings. This may seem a bit redundant, but ensures you're exactly where you need to be to find the specific information about your ad activities. Now, for the main event, clicking on Ad Activity. This section is a treasure trove of information about the ads you've interacted with while using Facebook. Ad Activity showcases a comprehensive list of ads you've clicked on, providing details such as when you clicked the ad, and sometimes why that ad was shown to you. Exploring your ad activity can be an eye-opening experience. You might discover patterns in the types of products or services that pique your interest, or you might find a long-lost product you meant to purchase but forgot about. It's fascinating to see firsthand how tailored Facebook advertising can be based on your activity on the platform and your interactions with different brands and businesses. A few things to remember: the Ad Activity tab only shows the ads you've clicked on, not every ad you've been shown. This distinction is important because it highlights your active interactions with content rather than passive exposure. Furthermore, this feature is a great way to manage your privacy and understand how your data is being used to influence your ad experience on Facebook. In addition to revisiting past ads, you can also manage your ad preferences here. Facebook offers options to adjust your ad settings, including information about you that's used to show you ads, ad topics you might want to see less of, and advertisers you've interacted with. It's an effective way to tailor your Facebook browsing experience to suit your preferences, making sure the ads you see are as relevant and interesting to you as possible. By following these detailed steps, you've now learned how to locate and review the ads you've interacted with on Facebook. This knowledge not only helps you rediscover products or services you've shown interest in, but it also empowers you to take control of your ad preferences and understand more about your digital footprint in the realm of social media advertising. That's it for our tutorial on how to see the Facebook ads you've clicked on. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating through your ad interactions and preferences on Facebook. Stay curious and empowered as you manage your digital experience.